Alright, so I told you guys in like 5 minutes I'm going to show you that I was going to take apart this. Still got the flint and stuff. I haven't even touched it. I've touched it, but I haven't really done anything to it. And first, I'm just going to take off this label. As you know. Ow, I know you're not supposed to cut pictures. Alright, you know what? Screw the label. So I marked it. Well, I'm going to cut. I might put some music in here, maybe. Well, you might be able to hear that. It's kind of quiet, I can barely hear it, so you probably can. But it's Futures. I don't know what to buy. I could play some music if I had something to play on. Alright, screw this. I'm just gonna take out this button. I'm gonna take off some of these, like, parts. Whoa, I can light it not even using my... It's actually really hard to get. Here, what do I do? Oh, that's a bad reflection right there. Maybe I can lower that reflection. It's still not. Let's look at this. It's good. I mean, it's not as reflective. It's bright. My dad walks in here. Don't worry about it. I was gonna say is either dinner ready, something around that general area. Sorry, I just got really quiet. Shit. You didn't hear that. Everyone, guess what? This is the first time I didn't use the flint. So I'm gonna stick the flint there for now. Just gonna move the flint. Actually, put all the pieces in here. Crap. I just dropped it. And then drop these. Okay, I'm gonna put the wheel pieces in like this. Like the wheel. And wheel pieces. So I don't lose them. don't really want to lose anything. Dang, my whole table just shut. Back here, so it's gotta look that motherfucker. Almost got it. Almost got this whole black piece off. Alright. Now this is that black piece that, like, when you push it down it lifts it up. But the thing is, that piece is still in there. It's like the whole turning system and stuff. All these pieces. God, why is Thrift Shop playing like the fuck? The thing is with this, you can just twist it right off. All it is this white piece stuff inside. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get it only to where this is in, which is actually going to be pretty hard considering stuff. Probably going to get a knock on my door in like 5 seconds. Because the neighbors here is, oh god, my god. Well, I broke this piece off, which I did not mean to do. And then, whoa. That thing just dropped right in there. And here's the wire that gets this through. And then I'm just here left with, and so you can tell that there's nothing left in there. I'm gonna take the flashlight, I'm gonna shove it there. Oh, that's not helpful at all. Well, might not be able to see it, but you can kind of see that black thing. That is the screwdriver. And just so you know that it's actually the screwdriver, you don't see it anymore. And the whole lighter is in this. So maybe tomorrow or something, I will do a video on trying to put it back together. But if you didn't see my last video, this is mostly just what I did. I did it on this exact one. And look. Alright, this one doesn't work very well. This blue one is the best. Look at that. So, I might have to break open that yellow one. And when this one runs out, I'm going to flip them. Flip this, take all this off, and pour it in here. So, take back these lighters. Camping trip right here. Just shove a flashlight in there. If I could. Let's do this one. It's a camping trip. And I didn't make this thing earlier. I couldn't video it because my camera wouldn't let me. Do some stuff. But I made this. and I might be able to do a tutorial on it tomorrow. But what it is you know those things you get from vending machines? It's got the bottom. You might know what I'm talking about. So look, mom. Got a bag. Damn, this flashlight's bright. And I'll eat it. I could have stored it in here. Thank you guys for watching. Not gonna see you next time. Wait a second. I kind of wanted to try this. And yours is probably gonna come out. But look at this. And it didn't even do what I wanted it to do. There's a dog sharpie on it. See how it's different? Oh, I think he and then sucks.